Yo, Groovewax, Little Lion, Eesah. Treading my path up in a Zion, ready for slew your energize. Not in a them voodoo or them science. In a your army and no fashion. I man have the heart of a lion. One of the last tribe I ever do it. Revolution every day up on my feet. I could have fought the days and night, man never sleep. When a million of them fight the black sheep. No limit yourself, you just make the right choice. Give praises to Jah and you will see your life nice. Me tell every ghetto youth for praise them vice. That's how Babylon head a roll like that. When the sun rise, a lightning and thunder roll. Like Messi, we a kick the ball head for goal. Success are the aim, so we plan for more. Yeah. He who conquers himself, he is a mighty warrior. One secret of success in life is opportunity. He who conquers himself, he is a mighty warrior. And you've got to be ready to walk through the fire. I'm calling all warrior, calling all jazz soldiers. Tell them, no surrender, calling all warriors. Together we strong, we breaking down all barriers. Now forget the words of ancient travelers. We're victorious from fighting battle at knowledge above all things. Until the angel sings a revolution settings. Them try to divide and win, but get the youth, remember you are queens and kings. No fear, show everything I tell you, Jah is there. Now watch evil when them a walk with spear. Them a go ear, Jericho arms are blowing out the ear. Babylon a go fall and me tell you why swear. Tell the church and the school and the streets, watch ya. Don't mislead the youths, make them do proper. Make discipline be your best friend before you judge someone else. Cause he who conquers himself, he is a mighty warrior. One secret of success in life is opportunity. He who conquers himself, he is a mighty warrior. And you've got to be ready to walk through the fire. Lion say, calling all warrior.